I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. And then the witch doctor he told me what to do. He told me ooh ee ooh ah ah, 星辰哇啦哇啦变变，ooh ee ooh ah ah， 星辰哇啦哇啦变变， ooh ee ooh ah ah， 星辰哇啦哇啦变变， ooh ee ooh ah ah， 星辰哇啦哇啦变变。
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the world's easiest beanie. It's unisex. You can make it for boys or girls. You can make it everyone. I didn't hide it. It's so simple. You need only one ball yarn, and you can make it nearly in 2 hours. So simple. Only you will make slip stitches and half double crochet. I use 1 skein of yarn. I use Cartopper velvet. It's 100 grams, 95 meters, and they recommend us using 6mm hook, but I use 8mm hook. And it's 92% of polyester, 8% of metallic yarns. I have a metallic seam in it. And they recommend us hand wash. So simple, 3.5 ounces, 104 yards. You can choose like that near quality yarns, and I use V12, my yarn's color number. I want to show you how you can make it and give its measurements to you. Look at that. Double folded form is 27 centimeter and it's equal to 11 inches from the top to end, 23 centimeters and nearly 9 inches, but I use it like folded. If you want to not use as folded your beanie, you need more or less chains from me. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our easiest beanie. Let's start crochet. First of all, make a slip knot. Then start to make your chains, but not make so tight. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will make 31 chains. 6, 7, 8, and 31. Then insert into the, skip this very first stitch, start from the second one, grab your yarn and make slip stitch. 1, next one 2, next one 3, 4, grab your yarn and insert directly in it. You will complete from the end. You will have 30 slip stitches. I come to end and turn to you. I complete this first row and I want to give you its centimeter. Here nearly 30 centimeter. I want to use my beanie as folded. If you don't want to make like that, I think you will make it, yes, 5 chains less. It's enough 25 centimeter. Okay, if you want to make it for childs, you need 20 centimeter. It's enough. You can adapt it easily. Then always we repeat the same. Chain 1 and not count. Yarn over. We will have here 2 loops, you can see. Not count that chain 1. I will insert back loop. Only use back loop. Grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. I will crochet 22 stitch like that. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, back loop, grab my yarn, pull through. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, back loop, grab my yarn, pull through all together. I will make 22 half double crochets. 3, this is 4, only use back loop. 5, 6, 7, and this is 22. I made here 22 half double crochet. Now 8 of them only make slip stitches. Insert the next stitch, again use only back loop. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, back loop, 4, back loop, 5, back loop, 6, 7, and this is the last one, 8. Chain 1 and not count and turn your work. You need here again make 8 slip stitch, not count that, and start from the first stitch. Insert your back loop, grab your yarn and make slip stitch. 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7, and next 8. I made here 8 slip stitches only using back loop. Now 22 half double crochet but using back loops. Again start yarn over, insert back loop, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together. You will complete chain 1 and not count, make 22 half double, only use back loops, then come here, make 8 slip stitches, only use back loop again. You will keep repeat until it comes to turn all around your head. It's nearly from, for adult, 52 centimeters. It's equal to 24 inches nearly. If you want to make it for childs, you need nearly 45, 44. It's enough. For it's about your child's head. You can measure it easily. You will keep repeat until you have that size. I complete after turn to you and we join 2 sides together and it's that's it. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I crocheted it until the widest part is 52 centimeter and I want to say it as an inch, it's 21 inches, and the small part, the top of the beanie's part comes to 11 inches and it's equal to 29 centimeters. It's like that. Then fold it and insert your hook from the first stitch. Now we will just join 2 sides together. You know, here is our starting part, so we have here only 1 loop. Insert here and make 1 slip stitch. Then I will take 1 loop from the finishing part, take here 1 loop. Every side I will take 1 loop and I will insert back loop and comes to opposite side here and make slip stitch. Back loop here, make slip stitch. Back loop, make slip stitch. I will come to end like that. Okay, hold it, take the back loop, then take the opposite sides loop, grab my yarn and make slip stitch. I complete it and turn to you. And this is the last stitch. I insert from here, grab my yarn, chain one and lock it. This is left yarn from one skein. Now we will take the top off together like that. You can make it with needle, but I want to make it with hook like that. I come to starting point. Then pull it like that and make a knot here. You can make it with different yarn. Okay, then turn it to the front side and fold it like that. That's the most easiest beanie, I think. You need only one ball yarn, but you need a little thick yarn, of course. You can make it nearly in 2 hours maximum. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.